Hello, everyone. Today let's introduce the MKE TD4 low-speed centrifuge. This machine is small and versatile. It is the necessary equipment for sample separation in small hospitals and biochemistry laboratories. First, turn on the rear color power cord. Press the red power switch. The screen lights up. The equipment enters the power on state. The system is controlled by microcomputer. Operation panel digital display, clear and concise. The left display is the rotational speed. The right side is the centrifugal time. Through the setting key, the number starts flashing. And now centrifugal speed can be adjusted by increasing or decreasing button. Press the switch button. Now shows the centrifugal force. The same can be achieved with these two keys. Increase and decrease. Centrifugal time. Once the settings have been made, press OK button to save. Next, take a look inside the device. First, open the door by pressing the door opener button on the right side. After opening the door, remove the protective bubble wrap from the inner chamber. Place the sample into our tube sleeve. Place them symmetrically. Then close the door. The device is ready for operation.